To news and entertainment now, as Montego-based St. James prepares to host thousands of visitors for the annual Reggae Sumfest, street-side vendors complain that things have gotten off to a rocky start. We have the details in this report.
For the past 3 years, the Catherine Hall venue has been the new home to the Reggae Sumfest street dance. The free event is seen as a warm-up for what's to come in the week. For years, it was held on the famous Montego Bay Hip Strip, and while the concept hasn't changed much with music and merriment, for some patrons, it's not the same.
Here we go on. We don't want the street dance at the complex no more, not on the field. We want it on the strip, on the road, because our street, we need it on the street. The people in my ball feet on the street. The stadium nice, alright, but up on the street it's for them.
Vendors especially are hoping for the event to be returned to the streets, as it allows for greater interaction with partygoers, resulting in more sales.
Normally when we are in the town, for the street dance, we have a lot of people already. The place is already packed up and business will be going on nicely and everything. Right now, it's look 50-50.
Nobody, no visitor, nobody. Right now we're out here, we take people consignment things, we concern, not even our water we not sell.
They also have concerns about the designated vending zone.
The people them are run for around here, so cause first thing, we run here so and then even put one little light for make people them see where they can where them a go and them something there. So nobody already free, nobody no want come out, everybody afraid. So we out here right now, we're concerned, we have jerk chicken, we have soup, we have water, we have drinks, we have much something and nothing at all now sell. I just we alone as vendors them out here.
We short of light. But anyway, our light what we take with we don't strong enough to make the crowd or the people see what we have. But anyway, we give thanks for what we have. Thinking about we would get some light from all people.
But from all indications, there will be no turning back to the old location, at least not for now.
Old Hospital Park, we used to have a full turnout because again it was on the hip strip and this is a location we're trying to build famously for pre-events so people know, hey, Sumfest pre-events coming up, it's going to be in one location. You just need to know how you get into Catherine Stadium or you getting back home. I can say the turnout this year was better than last year because we did have a few things we were battling in terms of the weather, the hurricane, the freak hurricane that we had last year. But the community is definitely out tonight to support Reggae Sumfest, and I mean it is Sumfest City during July, so I think the patrons are here to show that and to show that it's in full effect and Sumfest week is here.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.